don't get you.
Say hi, Sarah. Say hi, camera.
Hi, Brian.
Hi, Brian. That's Kevin.
Hi, Brian. Hi, Brian.
That's right, that's Brian. And look, a big turk. Wow.
My fingers, Sarah. Be careful now, because they see the white and they think obviously they don't think so. My fingers going. Ow! Ow! It got me again!
Did it really?
It did! Why are you watching? It's all
Did it
on
really
camera.
hurt?
It's all on camera.
Wasn't like you.
No, he doesn't see my fingers because I'm wearing gloves.
Careful, Sarah.
Sarah, don't chase him.
Hello, big turk.
I just...
Lettuce, that's right.
Poor little Sarah's getting wet fingers because she's getting wet lettuce.
Should be alright.
Freezing fingers now.
No, you have to put it on the floor for them, Sarah. They like it on the floor. That's it. They'll come over. You get some more for them. That's it. Throw it on the floor. Good girl. One more time.
It's kind of disturbing, isn't it?
What?
That happened to my head.
It's really cool. What?
What are you doing lounging around the floor?
Well, I'm nice and warm actually. Wow, did it jump? Look, they're eating the lettuce. Can you see? Brian's eating the lettuce.
Brian's got really big feet.
Careful, Sarah.
Kevin's got really big feet. Hi, Kevin.
Gently. Gently. Good girl. That's very nice. That's Kevin.
Nice and
Good Kevin.
Nice and gently, Sarah.
Gently. Gently.
Don't tread on the food.
You did. Careful, Sarah. Careful.
Sarah. Sarah. Come here, darling.
Gently. Gently.